If you want to see how I took her hair from this to this, keep watching. So yes, her hair started off relaxed. She has about 1 to 2 inches of new growth that we will be starting with. And what I did first was to part her hair into different sections, which kept it nice and organized. I didn't have to worry about the hair falling on itself or on another part of hair. And so I took the crochet hook and I knotted her hair at the root. This is the method that I use because I wanted to have her hair in sections. So yeah, I'm just looping this right through the crochet needle and pulling it through to create a knot. There are so many videos on YouTube as to how to do this. I am making this video for inspiration. If a tutorial is what you would like, just let me know and I'll see what I can do. So you can see how nice and clean I did a couple rows. And next you can see how I did her whole head like this. It really just kept everything nice and neat and manageable. Next, I'm going to be coloring her hair. She really wanted a light color, so we decided to bleach it while it was locked up and knotted up at the roots to keep everything in place. Okay, for the Insta Lock, what I did was I back combed, so it was nice and nappy. It felt nice and thick. I just took the back of the comb and just back combed it. So I pretty much scraped it up until it felt nice and thick in my hands. After doing this, I took this tool. They come in different sizes, so some have 3 prongs, some have 2, some have 1. I believe I used the prong that has 2 or 3. It's actually 3. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm pretty much taking the hair from the outside and bringing it to the middle. Or, for lack of better term, scrumping it all up and knotting it all up on itself. That's pretty much what's going on right now. It's mimicking how a lock is formed. So each lock probably takes a couple minutes at this length. Okay, so this is what her hair looks like colored, and you can clearly see her roots. And this is what it looks like locked. I have not trimmed off any of her straight hair. This is how it looks just using the tool. The back half of her hair is all her hair. Next, I'm going to add some extensions at the top, and I'm actually going to dye these as well so that they match her hair. And this is just how I did it. It was very simple. I used a plastic container that was just laying around, and I added the bleach and the developer about 1 to 1. I just eyed it, mixed it up until it was creamy, and then I put those locks in. And I actually Insta Lock these locks myself. And so I got 100% human hair, and I took the tool and I made these interlocks. This is what they look like when I was finished. I left some of the hair at the top loose so that it would easily blend in with her hair. And this is the final look. It's so incredible. It's so beautiful. If I have inspired you today, don't forget to give a thumbs up.